This is 41 Today on 41 NBC.
Good morning. With tax season here, we thought we'd invite Jamel Hill from Volunteer Income Tax Assistance to talk about a free tax preparing service to help people properly file their taxes. Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me today, Denise.
My pleasure. Now, we have a lot to cover, so let's go ahead and jump right into it with you telling people what Vita is.
So Vita stands for Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. It is provided through United Way of Central Georgia in collaboration with the IRS and multiple organizations in the Middle Georgia area.
Fantastic. Now, let's break down exactly what the service can do for the tax clients.
So it is, although we say it's a free tax preparation program, it's actually at no cost because we all know that it's not free to file your taxes. There are several organizations that you can go to in the area to have your taxes prepared, but they charge. With Vita, there is no charge to the client. And so we are able to help low income and elderly populations get their federal and state refunds.
Okay, now can you talk about the steps? I know there's like more so like a tax bracket that they have to fall under and things of that nature?
Absolutely. So with Vita, because it is the low income and elderly, there is a threshold. So we ask that you make under $64,000 a year in order to receive the free preparation services. However, if you make over $64,000, we're still able to help and provide a service called My Free Taxes. So either way it goes, we are here to help serve the community and get their tax refunds.
Perfect. Now let's talk about the tax preparers. Let's talk about their qualifications, their background, so people know that they're in good hands.
Absolutely. So we have wonderful volunteers who have been doing this for over 30 years. They are the professionals, and we actually partner with other organizations in the area such as Mercer Law and law students and accounting students to provide, and Georgia College State University to provide the service.
Okay, now when I went, because I went and used your services, I really was impressed how, like you said, the students would help, but then it would also get it checked over by someone with more experience. Can you go a little bit about that?
Absolutely. So once you come in, we're all IRS certified volunteers in order to participate in this program. And so what you are able to do is you come in, you'll do an intake interview, we'll get all the questions that we need, make sure that you have the proper documentation, and then we pair you with a preparer who will then enter the information, and then that's when we do peer reviews, and then we have the people who've been doing this for 30 years. They come through, they actually look, make sure that everything is right, and then we send them off.
Excellent. Now, our last question is, if people want to register, what steps do they need to take to do so?
Absolutely. Thank you so much. So what we have is a dedicated scheduler line. If you call 478-388-1956, you will reach our scheduler who can schedule an appointment for any one of our sites. We have 3 sites. We have a site that you visited at Centenary United Methodist Church on Ash Street in Macon, Georgia. We are also located at the Vector Center down in Warner Robins for our veterans, low income, and elderly. And then we are also at Georgia College State University in Milledgeville, Baldwin.
All right, well, we really do appreciate you stopping with us today.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having us and for letting people know about this wonderful service. We look forward to serving you all.
Okay, thank you for coming in. We appreciate it.
Thank you.